Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue with the JBL Xtreme 3 if it's not playing any sound, any music. So the first issue that it can be, there's going to be like low battery. So try to let it charge overnight. This is the first thing that you can try, and I recommend trying it out. So let it fully charge, then maybe it's going to play. The second thing that you can do and try is that when you're going to turn it on, and you want to press the play button and the volume up button at the same time and hold it for like 5 to 10 seconds. So you're gonna turn it on, and then you're gonna press the play button and volume up button for about 10 to 15 seconds, and you're just gonna press it and hold it. So this is something that you can try to do. Another thing that you can try to do, if this is not going to also work, you can press the play button, the plus button, and the volume down button, but this is going to be a hard reset. So you're going to press these three together, and this is something that you can also do. Now, what I know and what I also read from other people, so people that had an issue with it, they just had to really charge during the night because the battery was really low. So let me down below in the comments if this video actually helped you. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.